You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we are continuing with conditional probability from a table. All right, and I need you to not freak out by the big, enormous table you're going to get in these problems today. Sorry. All right. So, for example, if a person with a master's degree is chosen at random, immediately it says a person with a master's degree. You need to look only at the people with a master's degree, okay? So you're just gonna look at this line right here. And it has a total, you look at total of 1928. That is the number you're gonna use on the bottom, right? If the person has a master's degree, what is the probability that they are aged 40 to 49? So master's degree, and then 40 to 49, how many are 40 to 49? It's going to be 319. So all you got to do is take 319 divided by 1,928. 319 divided by the 1928, okay? Because we're taking the 40 to 49-year-olds that have a master's degree, okay? When you do that on your calculator, you get 0.16545643. Now, is that closer to 0.165 or 166? It's closer to 0.165 because it asks to the nearest thousandth, okay? So if you're doing delta math today, you're going to do that on to the nearest thousandth. Okay? Over here, all right, if a person who is 40 or older is chosen at random, what is the probability they've completed a bachelor's or a master's, okay? A person who is 40 or older. So if it's 40 or older, all right, you're going to take this 40 to 49 and the 50 plus, okay? 40 to 49 and the 50 plus, because 50 plus people are also over 40, right? So you're going to add these two numbers together, the 3827 and the 7106. That's the total, right? The total is the 3827 plus 7106, and that number goes on the bottom, okay? Now, what's the probability that have completed a bachelor's or master's? Bachelor's or master's are these two. So we're going to go to these two. You're going to do 726 plus 2160 plus 655 plus 1226. You add all those together. Those have completed a bachelor's or a master's, okay? So when you add all those together, you get 4,767 divided by the 10,933. That gives you 0.43601,939. Is that closer to 0.436 or 0.437? It's closer to 0.436. That's your answer, okay? Over here, if a person who has only completed high school or some college is chosen at random, what is the probability that they are 50 or over, okay? So they've completed high school or some college. So we're only going to take high school or some college. The total number is going to be 3030 plus 5621. That's your total. That goes on the bottom. 3030 plus 5621. Okay. How many are 50 or over? 50 or over are these two numbers, 986 and 2634. Right? Because we're talking high school or some college is 986 plus 2634. 986 plus 2634 is your 3620 over the 8651. When you divide those, you get 0.418444873. Is that closer to 0.418 or 419? It's closer to 0.418. Now, if you have a problem in one of these problems that says the entire community, all right, if it says, instead of just saying like a person who has only completed high school or some college, your problem might say a person is chosen at random from the entire community. If it's the entire community, then you're going to be looking for, under total, this number over here is your total. It's always the bottom right-hand number. That'll be the total from the entire community, which will be on the bottom. Okay? You've been watching the Weiss channel.